Well, Itaipú Dams is a binational project that started in 1974 in a partnership between Brazil and Paraguay, the governments of Brazil and Paraguay. And it started the project, the concept of the project in 1974. And the construction and the filling of the reservoir started in 84, started to be operational in 1984. So it's a big hydropower plant. We can supply, for instance, almost 2 days of energy for the whole world if we sum the annual production of energy. And we produce today, it can vary year by year, but today about 16% of the Brazilian consumption of energy, electricity energy, and about 90% of the Paraguayan electricity consumption. And since the beginning, Itaipú was worried about environmental problems. It was in the 1970s, around that time, and Brazil and Paraguay had many environmental issues running, occurring, and deforestation and bad land use. And when Itaipú was filled up with water, our margin in Brazil were like most deforested with tea cultivation, deforestation for logging, only for using the wood, and pasture, mainly pasture for cattle. And in Paraguay, margin was much more preserved, and Itaipú started doing that service of reconstructing the green infrastructure around the reservoir. And along the time, Itaipú kept the investment in reforestation and rebuilding ecosystems and ecosystem services through a preservation belt, kind of green belt along the whole board of the reservoir. And today you have in Brazil the biggest hydropower plant reforestation project.